Well, I finished sanding the tank. You can't feel any trace of that crack anywhere. Very little, if anything, is going to show up through this paint. Don't feel anything, just perfectly smooth tank. Sweet. Pretty much, if you didn't know the crack was there before, you would never know. Ever. There's no signs that there was a crack there. Except for like a shadow through the paint, but once I paint over that you won't see it. It's still thin. But this looks like this side. All fixed. Only took 2 days of sanding. It's done. It's very difficult to tell where the crack used to be. There is a little bit of an indentation that you can see in some light, but as soon as like the plastic relaxes when it's in the sun or you have gas in it, you're not going to see it. Looks just like this side now. Too bad you can't see inside the tank. You wouldn't even be able to see the crack inside. Yeah. Bike doesn't look too bad. Guess I'll have to find an expert on dirt bike engines to see what the heck's going on with it. Whenever you try to start it, whenever it fires, it actually kicks back. Like you'll kick down on the kickstart, and when it fires, it'll actually push it back up into your foot and hurt your foot, which is hopefully not too hard of a fix, but if it is, I'm gonna have to lose some serious money on this thing. Yeah. I mean, you can't even feel the dip. You can somewhat see it in some light, but not nearly as bad as it was, because it was a big butt crack dip with an enormous crack in the middle, and it was covered by like disgusting epoxy that was peeling off when I got it. Here's a small clip of it. Okay, here's what the tank looked like before with this JB weld crud over it, with it cracking on either end of it. The glue just peeled right off. It looked really bad and it leaked everywhere. Yeah, as you can see, it was pretty gross looking. It's not bad. It's all fixed now. The bike still has tons of compression. So, I mean, it didn't when I got it. It had a little bit, but I started oiling the rings and like manually kicking it over by hand and just slowly running it around, and they started grabbing again. It's got a lot. It takes a lot to kick it over now. I actually think it'll start, because the other day I actually had smoke coming out of the tailpipe and it was popping, but it kept kicking back up into my foot. I only have sneakers. I don't have boots, so my foot hurts. I need to find a tail light for it. That would like be the icing on the cake. That's pretty hard to find. Thanks for watching.